with any repair, you should unplug the power cord before beginning. To replace the door switch on your refrigerator, first remove the screw securing the hinge cover and pull the cover off. Disconnect the door switch wire harness. Now depress the retaining tab and pull the old switch out. Install the new refrigerator door switch by aligning it with the slot in the hinge cover and snapping it into place. Connect the wire harness to the new switch. Open the refrigerator door, reposition the hinge cover, and snap it into place. Reinstall the screw to secure. You're now ready to plug the power cord back in and confirm that the new door switch is working properly.